General knowledge question and answers on highest superlatives of India. Where is the highest airport in India? Kushak Bakula Rinpoche Airport in Leh in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It is one of the highest commercial airports in the world, situated at 3,256 meters high above the sea level. Which is the highest award in India? Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award in India. Which is the highest battlefield in India? Siachen Glacier, world's highest battlefield. The Siachen Glacier is a glacier located in the eastern Karakoram range in the Himalayas. It is where the line of control between India and Pakistan ends. Which is the highest dam in India? Tehri Dam. It is located in the state of Uttarakhand. It has a height of 260.5 meters. This dam is situated on the Bhagirathi River. Which is the highest gallantry award in India? Param Veer Chakra. Which is the highest gateway in India? Buland Darwaza. It is the main entrance to the Jama Masjid at Fatehpur Sikri, which is 43 kilometers from Agra, India, and also the highest gateway in the world. Which is the highest lake in India? Deotal Lake. Which is the highest peak of India? Karakoram 2 of K2. K2 is the second highest mountain in the world at 8,611 meters or 28,251 feet. Which is the highest railway station in India? Ghum Railway Station or Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. Which state receives highest rainfall in India? Meghalaya State, Mawsynram. Which is the highest tower in India? Qutub Minar at Delhi. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Kunchikal Falls, Karnataka.
Thank you for watching.